Ever felt like you're constantly juggling keys, but instead of physical ones, they're digital? You've got your crypto here, your NFTs there, and then another app for your DeFi needs. What if there was one secure, intuitive place to manage it all, a true digital keyring for your entire Web3 journey? That's where Bifrost Wallet comes in. In a world where digital assets are becoming increasingly central to our financial lives, having a reliable and secure self-custody wallet isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. Bifrost Wallet isn't just another crypto app, it's a robust, multi-chain platform that puts you, the user, in complete control of your digital assets. We're talking about a non-custodial wallet, which means your private keys are stored only on your device, never in the cloud, giving you ultimate sovereignty over your funds. This also means no more worrying about third-party hacks or censorship, your crypto, your rules. But Bifrost Wallet goes beyond just basic storage. It's designed to be a comprehensive hub for your Web3 interactions. Imagine securely storing and viewing your prized NFT collection directly within your wallet. Or effortlessly engaging with decentralized applications, think Uniswap, Compound, and a whole universe of DeFi protocols, all from a single, streamlined interface. It supports over 1,000 assets across more than 14 blockchains, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Flare, and Songbird, truly living up to its multi-chain promise. The beauty of Bifrost Wallet lies in its user-friendly design. It's built for both beginners navigating the crypto space for the first time and seasoned power users seeking advanced functionalities. From easy setup to daily use, the clean interface simplifies complex crypto operations. Plus, features like detailed transaction insights ensure you always know exactly what you're signing, preventing those common blind signing mistakes. Security is paramount, with independent audits by leading firms like Cure 53 and FYEO, ensuring your assets are protected by robust encryption and continuous testing. So, how do you unlock this powerful digital vault? Setting up your Bifrost Wallet is surprisingly straightforward, and we're going to walk you through it, step by step. You'll be managing your digital assets with confidence in no time. First things first, you'll need to download the Bifrost Wallet app. It's available for both iOS and Android devices, so head over to your respective app store and search for Bifrost Wallet. Once downloaded, open the app. You'll be presented with the option to create new wallet or restore wallet. For our purposes, we're creating a brand new one. Tap Create New Wallet. The app will then guide you to create a secure PIN. Choose a strong, memorable PIN that you won't easily forget, as this will be your primary way to access your wallet on your device. Next, and this is perhaps the most crucial step, you'll be presented with your recovery phrase, typically a 12 or 24-word sequence. This is your master key, the ultimate backup for your wallet. Write these words down in the exact order shown on a piece of paper. Do not take a screenshot, do not store it digitally on your phone or computer. This physical copy should be stored in a safe, secure location, away from prying eyes and potential damage. Think a fireproof safe, a secure deposit box, somewhere only you can access. If you lose this phrase, or if it falls into the wrong hands, you risk losing all your assets. Double-check your spelling and order. Seriously, triple-check it. After meticulously noting down your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to confirm it by re-entering a few of the words from your phrase to ensure you've copied it correctly. This is a vital security measure. Once confirmed, your Bifrost Wallet is officially set up. You'll now see your wallet's main dashboard, showcasing your different asset balances. From here, you can explore the various features, send and receive cryptocurrencies, interact with the in-app dApp browser, manage your NFTs, and even utilize specific functionalities for networks like Flare and Songbird, such as delegating WFLR or managing facets. The intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate, and with your recovery phrase securely stored, you have full control and peace of mind over your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.